In this video, we're going to look at vehicle actions in the Cloud Management dashboard. On the plate search page, in More Filters, simply click on Violations. This will bring up all the violations in your search period. Once a vehicle has been detected by Aero Ranger, it will be set in the Aero Ranger dashboard as open, and you will be able to look through them in the normal way. You can see 5 open vehicles here, and you can action or close these. Let's close this one. Okay, now that one's set as closed or archived. Let's action this one. Actioning will also send to a third-party compliance tools if you have them connected via the API. If you don't have a third-party tool, then you can simply manually tag them so you can filter them at another time. In the More Filters section, you can choose which category you want to filter by. Let's go Open. And you can see 3 open vehicles here ready for actioning. Similar options exist when you go into the Details panel. You can action or close them right within here. You can also do it right within the report as well, so you can see more information before you decide what action you want to take. Now we only have 2 opens because we actioned a few. These are the open ones. If you change your mind in the future, you can also reopen and reclose any vehicle at any time. Let's see the closed ones. There we are. Action items provide a simple way that you can categorize vehicles and keep everything neat and tidy in the Aero Ranger dashboard.